Alright, 230S. I've set up my own dual ESC unit on this. Good old Turnigy Plush 25. Don't be fooled by the blue wrap. I just took the red one off because it's tatty. And a little DIS 20 amp Optio to run the tail. Tail's all been tuned in with brushless heli. Good old Turnigy Plush, you just plug them in and they go. Now, running the Align 250 motor, 3600 kV, so 300 kV lower than standard. Went up to a 13 tooth pinion, which it pulls beautifully nice. Big jump in performance versus the standard motor. Quite sprightly to fly. I had tried an even larger motor, but really it was just overpowered, and all it did was chew the battery up next to no time. Anyway, we will spool her up and give her a run. I do have to get into the Turnigy and just give the start power a nudge. It's a little bit low and it sometimes stutters a fraction. That's an easy fix. You can just see that little stutter. So, how much more power? Noticeably better. Tail works to hold. When you button off the power or button off the pitch, tail's over correcting ever so slightly. But for just sporty flying, whew, this is really nice now with this motor. Look at that acceleration, warm. Just put pitch in, absolutely goes. Tails doesn't seem to be having any problem holding it, and you can hear it's working, but then I'm running 250mm blades and the standard boom length, so doing good. I think the new ESC has got a lot nicer, finer resolution on how it puts the power into the tail, so you don't get that pulsing sensation or the pulse sound. Anyway, I'll stop yapping and we'll just start flying a bit more. Just everything's a lot more sprightly. Just a really nice combo, this. No bog at all, you just do what you like. The 250mm blades, the standard motor was running out of puff. You could apply strong pitch changes and you could just hear it labouring, struggling, as it was at the limit of what the motor could do. Now it's just ripping around like nobody's business. So, want a fun upgrade? Trex 250 motor. Way to go. No free lunch though. More power means more power consumption. Sort of 7 minutes on the standard heli with a 1300 battery. More like 5 minutes on this guy. But I'll take the more power every time because this is just plain fun now. Yep. Watch the low flying, getting a bit cocky. Alright, that was 6 minutes. Happy with that. Yep, Trex 250 motor, mate. Awesome, good upgrade.